Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after launching its banger Find X8 Ultra with a unique camera setup, now Oppo is gearing up for its popular mid-ranger, the Oppo Reno 14 series. So fortunately, even before any official words, we have now received the possible design of the Oppo Reno 14 Pro. So compared to the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, I would say the Reno 14 Pro has a much better looking camera island, a bit like we saw on the recently launched OnePlus 13T. Now, as we can see, the Reno 14 Pro will retain 3 camera setup. Unlike the Reno 13 Pro, which has individual style camera sensors with a metallic ring around each, the Oppo Reno 14 Pro has primary and ultra-wide sensors sit together, forming a pill-shaped design, while the periscope telephoto is located separately right to them. And below the telephoto, we can see the flashlight. So as a whole, in my opinion, I would say it is looking more standout design compared to its predecessor. Now, the size of the handsets are not clearly